to Channeling Luxury. I will be trying on these pieces from Prada. This is a full length dress with a white collar, an off-white jumpsuit, an interesting shaped dress, kind of mid-length, very cute crop. And what I would turn into a dress, which is actually a sweater. So we will give these a try. And the holders are very bad. Give these a try and see what we think. Okay, this first one is too nun-ish for me. It's cute, it's a 36, it's too small, but it looks too much like a nun. So this would be a pass for me for sure. Please bear with me as I try to get my bearings here in different fitting rooms at different designers, but this one is a definite thumbs down for me. All right, so this one I think is super cute. You back up a little bit and you can see the full length. Has nice pockets. It's very, very comfortable. This is a 38, so it's my size, but it's also really, really sheer. So you can see pretty much completely through it. So I need to talk with them about what they're lining it with. And obviously it would need some tailoring, but I think it's really pretty. So would love to know what you all think about this one. Again, definitely needs something here. Very nice feeling silk though. Okay, so this one is a 38 also, definitely more my size. It's supposed to be a dress, but as you can see, it wouldn't cover a whole lot. So I would have to wear it as something with leggings or somehow. But I actually really love how it feels. I think the fabric feels great. It feels better than most of my Chanel actually. And I think the fit is really nice. The color is definitely really pretty. So overall, I like this one. We'd love to know what you all think as well. I'm gonna give you a better view of it from each direction. Definitely too short though. Okay, so you didn't see this in the intro, but I also asked to try this one. It's the 40, I think it's fantastic. It's like swimsuit fabric, and there's just a little crop and you can wear under things, and it's fitted enough that it won't get in the way of our other designs. So that's why I like it, and I will be adding this little guy to my collection. So I could try on the little black dress because it is too small to go over my head. So this is a 40 top. I love this. I think it's very cute, simple, easy to wear, extremely comfortable. Let's see what it looks like from the back. And I think this is a great buy. Simple, nothing too fancy, but I actually really like it a lot. This is the dress that I could not try on. Because I couldn't get it over my head. So I am not this size, but this fits really well. I'd love to know what you all think about this very quick Prada what's in the store for spring summer so far. Hopefully we'll be getting some more things in soon, and I will come in and record and see what you all think. So have a wonderful day.